Hello, my darlings. Today, we're diving into the world of Rugelach. These aren't just cookies, they're little bites of history. Rugelach dates back centuries, with roots in Jewish communities across Europe. Isn't that fascinating? Imagine, these crescent-shaped treats have graced tables for generations. The word Rugelach itself hints at its charm. It comes from the Yiddish word rugel, meaning little twist. And truly, these pastries are a delightful twist of flavors and textures. The combination of buttery, flaky dough with sweet and nutty fillings is simply irresistible. I find Rugelach incredibly versatile. They're perfect for a cozy afternoon tea, a festive gathering, or even a thoughtful homemade gift. But the best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. Let me show you how. Let's gather our ingredients. For the dough, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, plus more for dusting. For the filling, 1/2 cup apricot preserves, 1/2 cup finely chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. In a large bowl, cream together the softened cream cheese and butter until light and fluffy. Beat in the sugar and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the flour, mixing until just incorporated. Do not overmix. Divide the dough in half. Flatten each half into a disc, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Now for the fun part, assembling our Rugelach. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll out each dough disc on a lightly floured surface into a 12-inch circle. Spread each circle evenly with apricot preserves. In a small bowl, combine the chopped walnuts, sugar, and cinnamon. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the preserves. Cut each dough circle into 12 wedges like a pizza. Starting at the wide end, roll each wedge up towards the point. Place the rolled Rugelach, point side down, on the prepared baking sheets. Baking time. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Allow them to cool slightly on the baking sheets before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Dust those beauties with powdered sugar for an extra touch of enchantment. And there you have it, homemade Rugelach ready to be devoured. For a truly decadent treat, serve them warm with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea for a delightful afternoon pick-me-up. Rugelach is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with different fillings like raspberry preserves, chocolate hazelnut spread, or even a savory option with herbs and cheese. Remember, baking is all about creating something special with your own 2 hands. So, go ahead, my darlings, and bake a batch of these delightful Rugelach. You won't regret it.